Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and money management tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to link credit cards to Wally, a super straightforward process that can help you track your spending, earn rewards, and stay on top of your finances all in one place. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips. First things first, what is Wally? It's a popular digital wallet app designed to simplify your financial life by connecting your bank accounts and credit cards securely. Before we get started, make sure you have the Wally app downloaded on your smartphone and that you have your credit card details handy. Oh, and always ensure you're on a secure Wi-Fi network for safety. Let's jump right in with the steps. Step 1. Open the Wally app on your device and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a quick moment to sign up. It's free and takes less than a minute. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts, or Wallets, section, usually represented by an icon like a credit card or a plus sign. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. You'll see an option to Add a card, or Link credit card. Select that, and the app will prompt you to enter your credit card information. Don't worry. Wally uses bank-level encryption, so your data is safe. Step 4. Carefully input your card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Step 5. After entering the info, you might need to verify your card. This could involve a small test transaction or a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this. Step 6. Once verified, hit Save or Link Now, and voila! Your credit card is now connected to Wally. You can start tracking transactions in real time, set budgets, and even get alerts for unusual activity. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Also, contact Wally's support if needed, they're pretty responsive. There you have it, folks. Linking your credit cards to Wally is a game changer for managing your money smarter. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.